Welcome to another SpoiledBirds.com 3D birdhouse plan, where birds go for houses. This house is for a robin. Robins are open nesters, so there is no front to this house or no front wall to this house. Just the base, that's the most important part. The materials you're going to need, obviously wood. The wood is a 1/2 inch thick. You're going to need a protractor, saw, screws, drill, all the basics. This is a difficult ranked birdhouse for building because of all the angles that need to be cut. We're going to scroll back to the back of this house so that you can see all the angles. We have 50 degrees here, 100 degrees. Now this is a separate piece, it's the back piece. These two side angles are 130 degrees. And then we have some more angles in the front. Okay, so the first angle, let's go with the side piece, is 74 degrees, 49 degrees, 130 degrees. Then we have one more angle at the bottom of this birdhouse, which is right there, bottom piece, 105.7 degrees. So those are all the angles you're going to need. Now I'm going to go over the lengths. So from this top point, the inside of the side piece is 8 1/16. The top point to the inside bottom, now this is slanted, is 8 3/8 of an inches long. The width of this top piece is 4 1/2 inches. Now we're going to go to the outside. Measurement from the top to the bottom is 7 5/8. The width is 2 3/16. The base of this birdhouse is really easy. It's perfect 8 inch squared, so 8 inches by 8 inches. 1/2 inch material. The top is pretty easy as well. From the point, the longest side is 6 5/16, and then 7 1/2. And then the back, from this top point to the bottom, is 1 foot. From these points to the bottom, it's 8 5/8, and this is 8 inches. That is the birdhouse. That's all of the measurements you're going to need to build it. We hope to see pictures of this birdhouse built using this plan, and come back again to SpoiledBirds.com to get some more birdhouse plans.